Good morning, students. I hope you all are in your good health and all of you are doing well. So today we're going to start our next topic of our chemistry portion of chapter number 2, that is matter around us pure? So we were doing in the previous video, we have done about solutions, colloids and suspensions, and we have read about the differences between solutions, colloids and suspensions. So here I would like to just do a quick revision that all the solutions are the homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means that it blends so well that we will not be able to identify whether it is mixed something in it or not. And colloids are the mixtures which appears to be homogeneous but they are generally heterogeneous, and suspensions are the heterogeneous mixture. And along with this, I have given you other points also which are also mentioned in your book. So today we're going to start our topic with solutions. So we will be reading solutions in detail and also will be doing some numericals which are very important in the chapter and for exams as well. So starting with the solutions, a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. That means in solutions there are always two substances are mixed. So those two substances are called as solute and solvent. So this is the solution which is equals to the solute plus solvent. So solute and solvent are, first about solvent. A solvent is a component of the solution that is present in the greatest amount. That means if we want to dissolve sugar in water, so it will form a sugar solution. So in the solution, before it was made solution, the sugar act as solute and water act as solvent, because sugar is taken in the lesser quantity and water is taken as the large quantity. So a solvent is a component of a solution that is present in the greatest amount. So because water is taken in the greatest amount, that is, water is the solvent and sugar is the solute. Also, the substance in which the solute is dissolved. We have to dissolve solute into a substance so that it can be formed a solution. So here the water acts as solvent because into the water the solute, that is the sugar, is dissolved. So we can say that if the solute is dissolved in any substance, that is called as solvent, or any substance which is in greater amount is called as solvent. Now about solute. So the substance which is dissolved in the solvent, that is when we dissolve something in the solvent or when we dissolve something which is present in the greatest amount, is called as solute, so that the solution can be formed. So if we want to dissolve sugar in the water, so sugar is the lesser quantity and sugar is being dissolved in the water, that is water is solvent and the sugar is solute. So solute is present in the less amount. So here again about solvent, I would like to tell you that it is not necessary that solvent will always be liquid. Usually the solvent is liquid, but not as always. Sometimes it can also be solid or gas as well. So same here with the solute also. It is not always sure that a solute has to be always a solid. It can be liquid, it can be gas also. So the formula for the mass of solution is mass of solute and mass of solvent, because here was solution equals to solute plus solvent. So same will be the mass. When we want to find out the mass of solution, then the formula would be the mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So when we have to find out the concentration of solution, so before doing it, I would like you to explain a little about concentration. Concentration is the amount of the solute in any solution. If we want to find out the concentration of solution, example, if simply we mix sugar into water and we will have 2 glasses of water, and we will dissolve 2 tablespoons of sugar in 1 glass of water and 20 tablespoons of sugar in the other glass of water. So the concentration of the solution will vary, because the first glass in which we have added 2 tablespoons of sugar will taste sweet, but not as much sweet as in the second glass of water. In the second glass, since there are 20 tablespoons of sugar, it will be more sweet and it will be little thicker. So the concentration of the solution in the second glass is higher, whereas the concentration of the solution in the first glass is lesser. So the solutions which have low concentration are called as dilute solutions, and the solutions which have higher concentration are called as concentrated solutions. So to find out the concentration of solution, we have a formula about excuse me. So the concentration of solution is defined as the mass of solute in grams, or we can also say in simple words that the concentration of solution is defined as the mass of the solute present in 100 grams of the solution. So the thing you have to remember is 100 grams, or it can be changed to 100 liters also, or ml also. Now, whenever we mix anything in the solvent, so we have to find out the concentration of solution. So basically it is the mass of the solute dissolved in the 100 grams of the solutions. Okay, so again we have to learn a formula for this. Whenever we have to find out the concentration of solution, there is a formula which is concentration of solution equals to mass of the solute upon mass of the solution, because in the definition itself it is mentioned that the mass of solute present in 100 grams of water, or the mass of solute per 100 gram of solution. So the formula is mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Okay. So mass of solution, we already know that the mass of solution is, as we have read just now, mass of solution equals to mass of solute. So in the formula we have to put this to find out this, because in the question the solute will be given and the mass of solution may be given, or we have to find out. So we will be using this formula. So we will be using in the question, which I will be telling you. The other one is in the case of liquid. So if we get any liquid or any we don't get any solid solute or any solvent, and we get both the things in liquid, like we want to make some alcohol in water. So in that case we have to find out the this concentration in the volume, because here is the mass, so it is in the grams. So in the case of liquid we have to find out in milliliters, that is ml. So the concentration of solution will be the volume of solute upon volume of solution. The same it will be, but instead of grams here will be milliliter, that is ml, and in this case of here grams also will be milliliter. So the concentration of solution is, in the case of liquid, is volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. So it will be very same, just the thing is will be changed is that mass, and here will be volume. So let's do some questions. For this I have written a question already for you, that is, a solution contains 70 grams of sugar dissolved in 330 grams of water. Calculate the concentration of these solutions. So for this we will be using this formula which we have just read. So with the help of this formula we will be doing this question, that is, when we have been given the grams of solute and the grams of solvent, we can easily find out the concentration of solution. So there will be, first of all we will be writing the formula, that is concentration of solution. So we can also write CONC dot cons for concentration, but I'm writing the full concentration of the solution I'm writing here solution in the short form, that is SOL, and in here in the top, so it tells you about it, it is solution in the short form. So concentration of solution is mass of solute upon mass of solvent upon solution into 100. Then we have to find out the mass of solution also. So for this we have to find out the value of solution, which is mass of solute plus mass of solvent. But for that we have to write down the value of mass of solute, which is given in the question itself. Mass of solute, what is the solute here? Yes, it is 70 grams, that is, which is mixed into the solvent, and mass of solvent is 330 grams. G for grams. So the mass of solution will be mass of solute plus mass of solvent, that is 70 plus 330, that will be 400 G. So we have got the mass of solution. We can easily put into the formula, that is concentration of solution equals to mass of solute. What is the mass of solute here? Yes, that is 70, and mass of the solution is 400 into 100. Okay, then after solving this, we can easily cut this, and it will be 70 upon 4, which comes like, okay, 17.5%. Okay, so the answer will be 17.5%. That is the concentration of sugar solution is 17.5%. So this is the easy method to find out the concentration of solution. Remember this, that not every time you have to calculate this value. Sometime in the question itself it's given that the mass of the solution is this. So in that case you don't have to add, because here it is not given any solution, so you have added, but not all the times you have to add. So we will be trying our next question. Okay, so this is the next question. In this, if 110 grams of copper sulfate is present in 550 grams of solution, calculate the concentration of solution. So the formula will be same, that is concentration of solution equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Alright, so here in the question, I would like to read the question once again. If 110 grams of copper sulfate is present in 50 grams of solution. Now in the question, it's already given solution, so we don't have to add anything. We can just put the value. So the value of solute is 110, and the value of solution is 550. So no need to add, because in the previous question we were given that this amount, that is solute, is dissolved in solvent, and we have to find out the concentration, and the formula of concentration was mass of solute upon mass of solvent, mass of solution into 100, and to find out the mass of solution we have to add solute plus solvent. But here in the question it's already given the mass of the solution, so no need to add anything. So just the answer will be, okay, this, and 11 means 11, and then 5, 10, okay, it will be 100 upon 5, that is 20%. So the concentration of copper sulfate solution is 20%. Okay, so again we will be doing some other questions in the same excuse me please. Okay, so the next question is, the solution contains 70 ml of alcohol mixed with 280 ml of water. Now this is for the case of liquid, because we have just done that for liquid also we have the formula, that is volume of solute upon volume of solution. So we will be doing this with the help of the next formula, that is volume of solution. So the concentration of solution, so we will be writing the next formula, that is volume of solute. So VOL can be is written as a shortcut upon volume of solution. into 100. So please don't get confused why I'm writing here SOLN. So it is the shortcut of solution. Since I'm teaching you, so I'm not writing in the full, but you have to write in the full language. Okay, so the values are volume of solute is given as 70 ml and the volume of solvent is 280. Okay, so the volume of solution will become 70 plus 280. Since volume of solute plus volume of solvent we will have to do, it will be 70 plus 280 will be 350 ml. So again we will put these value in the formula that is here in the formula. So concentration of solution will be 70 upon 350 into 100. That will be 7 5s, it will be 100 upon 5, which will be 20%. Okay, I hope it is clear. So the last question again, if 5 ml of excuse me, if 5 ml of acetone is present in 45 ml of its aqueous solution, calculate the concentration of this solution. So we have to do again one more question for the practice. Again we have to find out the concentration of solution. So CONC dot is the shortcut for the concentration, and SOL to the power n can be written to the solution. Formula will be volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. So volume of solute is 5 ml and volume of solvent is not given here. We have already given solution, so we don't have to add anything. We can write volume of solution. We have been given the volume of solution already, so no addition required here. So concentration of solution is volume of solute is 5 ml and the other one is 45 into 100. Okay, so it will be 100 upon 9, as it will be cut like this. So the answer will be 11.11%. Okay, so when in the question it is mentioned already that this is the solution, because it is 5 ml of acetone is present in 45 ml of its aqueous solution. That means it's already a solution. So when we already have got the solution, we don't need to add anything. But if the question is that it is mixed in this amount of water, that means water is solvent and this is solute, so we have to make the solution that is solute plus solvent. So that is why we have added here. So please make sure whenever you do such kind of questions, read the question properly and solve with the help of the formula, which is very easy. That is concentration of solution equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. And for the solution we have to do that mass of solution solvent plus mass of solute. Very simple. So these are the questions which you have to practice for your homework, which I will be giving you. I request all of you to do all your homework which is been given to you, so that you can be marked present for your next days of submission. So till then, please do your homework, study hard and stay safe. Thank you.